unibrow. Hey guys, welcome back. That was so loud. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Coffee and Tech. Today we'll drink some good coffee, but the most important thing, we're gonna be competing 3 different mics. Both of them are under $70. The most expensive one is $69. The mics that we'll be competing are the Snowball, the Tonor Q9, and the FIFINE. So, the Snowball sells for $49, the FIFINE sells for $45, and the Tonor Q9 sells for $69. All 3 of them are USB mics. All 3 of them are amazing mics, really good for streaming, really good for making YouTube videos. We're gonna be testing the difference between the sound and which one sounds the best at the default settings when you first plug it into your computer. All the same settings, all the same distances, and we're gonna be testing how much background noise it will pick up. We're gonna be testing keyboard noise and what does that look like on each mic. Which one gives you the most sound for the buck? Without further ado, let's get into it. Let's plug in all these 3 mics and test them out. Let's go. All right guys, we have all 3 mics plugged in right now. We have the Tonor Q9 right here, we have the FIFINE mic right here, and we have the Blue Snowball ICE right here. Currently I'm talking to the FIFINE mic right here, but if you come to the settings under your audio settings, you will see FIFINE, Tonor, and Blue Snowball. You come in here, you can see that the FIFINE is at 80% pickup, and we go to the Tonor and you can see as well that is at 80%, and then we go to the Blue Snowball, 80%. All these 3 mics are put into the same percentages. All right, now in OBS we're going to be changing the sources of the microphone and test each one individually. Okay, we have all 3 mics on the same distance. Let's test the audio on all 3. This is testing the audio on the FIFINE microphone. This is an audio test on the Tonor Q9 microphone. This is a sound test on the Blue Snowball ICE microphone. Okay, let's do a background noise test. This is a background noise for the FIFINE microphone. This is a background noise test on the Tonor Q9 microphone. This is a background noise on the Snowball. Testing the background noise on the Blue Snowball ICE microphone. Testing keyboard noise on the FIFINE microphone. Testing keyboard noise on the Tonor Q9 microphone. Testing keyboard noise on the Snowball ICE microphone. Okay guys, now that we've tested all these 3 things on all 3 microphones, I'm going to listen to the audio and I'm going to evaluate real quick. Be right back. Alright guys, after reviewing all of those clips, reviewing the audio on all of them, I mean, it's very tough to say which one is the best, but there's a lot of things that I've noticed differently on all of them. The Tonor Q9 has the best pickup of all of them, since it's a mic that has more surround pickup to it, and obviously it's the highest quality made, but it's more expensive at $69 coming in. It's a very good mic, but the quality of the sound itself is not as good as the FIFINE. I feel like the FIFINE has a crispier sound than the Q9 microphone at the same setting, same distance and all that, but obviously the Q9 picks up less noise or less ambient noise, so you can't hear it as much. But when it comes to the crispiest sound, the Blue Snowball has the crispiest sound of them all, but the problem is it's picking up a lot of weird noises in the background. You can hear like a rotating noise, background noise. Yeah, so if I was up to me, I would go between the FIFINE and the Q9. Setup wise, if you're trying to do a podcast style, I would go with the Q9 just because you have more flexibility. You can put it and locate it in different places. But if you're just looking to record some voiceover audio, I would go with the FIFINE at $45 is a great price. But yeah, the winner, there isn't really no winner. It really depends on the need and the use for this mic and what you wanted to use it for. Me personally, I think I'm gonna keep the Tonor or the FIFINE. I haven't decided yet. I'll let you know, guys, what I'll decide and what I'll keep. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment below your thoughts about it, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. And remember, I stream every weekday on twitch.tv/givehimchills. Go over there and check out the channel. We'd appreciate that. See ya.